future of advertising will be highly advanced. From mobile apps, commercials in television, printed ads, and today's broadcasting media. It can turn into just holograms or maybe in glass tablets. The things that they advertise can now be effortlessly noticed. Advertisers will focus on the things that the consumer will always need. We can expect more about the future. This kind of technology, their product or service can be quickly consumed because it can easily cut their attention. How about you? What do you think is the future of advertising?
Future of advertising. Para sa akin, tingin ko, yung future niya ay mas magkakaroon pa ng mga bagong way ng pag-deliver ng advertising. Saka ngayon ay meron lang mga TV, radio, saka yung mga traditional. Hindi ko pa alam kung paano mangyayari sa future, pero pinaka-predict ko sa kanya ay mas magiging high-tech pa. Yun nga. Magiging high-tech pa yung mga future na gagamitin pa sa advertising.